I hope you all enjoy, and I am so excited to bring to you everything that I have been wanting to for so long now. I feel like it was just something that I've been meaning to do, but I put on the back burner for so long. Ben told me, like, get to YouTube. But I'm here, we are here, and I'm excited to be here to just create and do what I love. All right, so yeah, we'll see you all, and yes, thank you and welcome, and thank you again for watching. All right, y'all. And then I'm gonna spray a little on top of it. All right, I'm gonna sit these in the spinach, like in the spinach family. I'm gonna do this a new that's about to be on my list. These things, this plastic thing ain't working. I'll be cooking this down some already, so no worries. Alright, so we got some mushrooms. Pour it in here. Alright, don't need too much. Our mix inside of here. I know we're not gonna need a lot of mix of it. I need it because I did put them in the oven prior to. Put some cheese in it. Alright. And I put it in the oven so that it can get some tenderness in it. And line it in here. Of bacon that we just gonna dollop on the top. This is what we have, and what I'll do is put some foil on the top of it and allow it to just cook for probably about 20 minutes. Probably should have did the peppers a little bit more under, but that's okay. They're gonna be tender, they're gonna be able to be ate. And like you can see, the leftover egg kind of like ran over, which is fine. We're gonna eat that just as well, and all of this is gonna go inside our belly. I'll show you this after it's done.
Yo, hear me now. Everybody do that dance, nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, repeat. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those are me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. In a the Louis V best. Girl want with his real silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Until my will runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my.
Some walnut oil, and then the hot dogs. I basically, you have soy in them.
Peppers and onions. Obviously mushroom, peppers and scallions.
Not scallions, what am I talking about?
That's onions, ain't it?
No, shallots.
Shallots.
Alright, so here are the vegan hot dogs. They got some texture to them. What I'll be doing is adding in. I got nice texture too. So I'll be adding. I'm just adding in the mushrooms, the red bell peppers, and the shallot, and then I'm gonna add in 2 of those
Chili
chilies.
peppers.
Yes. Just basically dried out. I'm gonna add jalapenos.
Hey guys, first time making chili hot dog. Delish. Oh, I got a story for you right now. Sigh. So funny. Say, I wanted to get personal, but I realized that's like no.
I'm gonna let this sweat a little bit. I'm gonna add This is some sea salt. I'm gonna add in a little bit of this. This is some kind of flaky, kind of and just a little bit to kind of flavor it up and allow those mushrooms to sweat.
No, sir.
Okay, a can of tomatoes, whatever kind you have. Fire roast would probably be bomb with this. And then we'll be adding in some red beans. Now the red beans that we have are already flavored. It's a black owned brand. Check them out. This is a black owned brand, A Dozen Cousins. It's Creole red beans. We don't have any canned beans, but this will do. Alright. And we're going to add this into it. I'm going to need that spoon. And these are already cooked. Same with everything else really. So right now we just kind of heating it up and allowing all the seasonings to simmer together. We also going to add, some chili powder to this as well. Yeah, that should be enough hot dogs. I feel like we'll need that many. We got beans in it too, and we got mushrooms. We're gonna do is just to loosen that up. That gotta get loosened. Garlic, roasted garlic brown, kind of adds a nice flavor and anything. Okay, I'm loaded. And I'm gonna put chili powder.
Nice. It almost looks like jambalaya.
Chili powder, whatever chili powder you may have. And just kind of right now we just seasoning it up. Season until you like it.
Letting it steam, baby, steam.
And yeah, that's about it. Something real quick.
You got a choice. Would you rather pay 12?
Alright, so we're gonna add some chocolate.
Chocolate chips. Let me get one. Pour one, please. All right.
Maybe I'll pour. Maybe you know what I can use. Maybe molasses.
Can I turn it off now?
Yes.
Oh my God. Look at that. Look good. It looks like jambalaya.
Alright, so here is the finished product. Real good, y'all. As you can see, those peppers are still nice and vibrant. This is hot dog chili, y'all. Okay, so here we have the hot dog chili.